Quadlock phone mount fitted to a 1959 BSA. By any definition, a classic motorcycle. Let's take a closer look. Here I've got a ram mount short extension fitted, and I've got a ram mount stalk with a longer bolt going through my handlebar retaining bridge here. I had a challenge. It's 5/16 British cycle thread, so going through the top of the ball. I'll try and show you, just bear with me. I'm rather unprofessionally filming with one hand, but I'll try and take it off. So those that are observant would usually see that there's usually a cap screw there, but I didn't have any 5/16 cap screws, so I've temporarily put a 5/16 set screw all the way through. The challenge being that 5/16 British cycle thread isn't readily available, but I've got some on order, so we'll have a look. That ram mount then connects to the ram arm, and then on the device itself I've got a ram ball mount, and here you can see the optional extra on the Quadlock. It's actually a vibration mount. Is it successful? I was a little bit worried that this BSA would shake it to death and make the screen unreadable. Absolutely not. I'm absolutely surprised at how solid it is. And last but not least is this device here. There is a conventional USB charger, so I charge my iPhone with an extremely short pigtail to the iPhone. Just going to show you a clip now with the Quadlock actually working as I was riding to Godmanchester this morning. But overall, yeah, a transformation and certainly a reduction in size, and relying on a third-party satellite navigation system such as TomTom or Garmin. I have both, so this has just literally opened up new opportunities to use my iPhone to do satellite navigation with, which is proving highly successful. When I got lost today, obviously Google Maps updated me, and interestingly enough, having the live traffic stream really helped as well, so I could avoid the red areas as I approached the outskirts of Cambridge this morning on Saturday. Remember, if you like these videos, please think about hitting the like button, and better still, if you do, hit the subscribe button. It really encourages me to make more of these videos. Thanks for watching.